Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster here. Today we're going to be doing an install on this 2019 Volvo XC60 T6. Given this car actually is a T6, it makes a surprising amount of power. However, it is hampered by the factory throttle, which is very laggy. So to give this vehicle as close to 1-to-1 ratio as possible for the pedal to throttle response, we have the Sprint Booster. Sprint Booster is the most advanced and original throttle controller on the market. With over 2 million units sold worldwide, in addition to the 36 levels of adjustment, it offers a 3-year warranty. When it comes to the installation for this particular vehicle, as always, you're going to want to start with taking your key fob, opening the driver's side door, walk about 20 feet away for about 15 minutes. This allows the CAN bus system to reset. This particular vehicle does have a floor-mounted pedal. The first step of the install process is to remove the cover, which covers up the retaining bolt that affixes the pedal to the floor. After you remove the cover, use a T30 socket to remove the bolt. Turn the assembly counterclockwise and pull the pedal out. Now that we've unbolted the pedal, we're able to remove the harness from the top of the pedal itself. Before anything else, we're going to connect the selector switch into the side of the Sprint Booster unit itself. Next, we're able to install the Sprint Booster in line between the pedal and the harness itself. Simply press down on the connectors until you hear a click. Now that all of the assembly is installed in the vehicle, you can choose an appropriate location for the selector switch. After you've mounted the selector switch, we're able to reinstall the pedal into the floor using the bolt that we removed. After tightening the bolt down, simply reinstall the cover. Whether it's a truck, sports car, or a van, let us know what settings you keep your Sprint Booster on, and let us know what car you'd like to see next. Leave us a comment below.